In this video, we are going to revise prehistoric significance of Madhya Pradesh. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for MP exam YouTube channel. So let's begin. Ancient history of Madhya Pradesh. Prehistoric significance of MP. Rich archaeological heritage. MP is renowned for its prehistoric remains, offering evidence of all major prehistoric culture. Artifacts from lower, middle, and upper Paleolithic period as well as Mesolithic and Neolithic periods have been found. Geological and climatic context. Prehistoric remains are linked to natural changes during Pleistocene and Pratanutan Kal. Holocene Nutan Kal. Pratanutan and Nutan Kal. Human adaptations to climate shift influence tool making and lifestyle changes. Evidence of climate change is found in riverine gravel deposit pebble. Types of deposit: older alluvium, Pratanutan Kal, found along river banks consisting of boulders, conglomerate, sandy pebbly gravel and sandy gravel, contains lower Paleolithic tools, younger alluvial Nutan Kal, upper soil layers with middle Paleolithic tools, major rivers, valleys, and their prehistoric remains. Chambal Valley location originates near Indore, flows through Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Findings: lower to upper Paleolithic tools reported from surveys along the Parvati River's tributary. Stratified and surface level artifacts indicate continuous human occupation. Betwa Valley location originate near Abdullahganj, Madhya Pradesh, join Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. Findings: gravel deposits along the main rivers and tributary contain lower and middle Paleolithic tools. Stratified tools provide evidence of human activity during climatic shift. Narmada Valley location originates in Amarkantak Hills, flowways to Arabian Sea. Significance: region Pleistocene deposits a key area for prehistoric studies. Human fossils: Arun Shanakia. Geological Survey, Nagpur, discovered a human skull fossil in gravel deposit at Hathnaura, Shihor district. Dated to the Pleistocene, confirmed as a Homo erectus, one of the oldest human fossil in India. Lowest Paleolithic. Tools found in red soil layers above gravel deposit, Son Valley. Location: a significant river in MP with dense archaeological survey. Findings: intensive surveys targeting Pleistocene deposits. Identified key quaternary deposit, Sihabal Formation, oldest deposit along the Shan River, named after Sihabal, district Sindhi. Contains lower Paleolithic tools, Patpara Formation, middle Paleolithic tools, animal and plant fossils. Leaves indicating prolonged deposition. Baghor Formation, 10-meter thick, contains middle and upper Paleolithic tools and fossil of elephants, horses, hippos, cattle, rhinos, deer, crocodiles, and turtles. Khetaunahi Formation, Holocene deposit, 10-meter thick, located at the Son Rehi River confluence, dated to nearly 10,000 BC. Dating: updated radiocarbons and other method used. Sihabal, middle Pleistocene, nearly 1 lakh plus year BB. Patpara, upper Pleistocene, 1 lakh to 30,000 BP. Baghor, 30,000 to 12,000 BP. Khetauani, nearly 10,000 BP. Prehistoric cultures in Madhya Pradesh. Lower Paleolithic period tools made from quartzite stone, large and robust. Example: hand axe, clavers. Sites found across all major rivers valley. Narmada, Son, Chambal, Betwa. Mahadevan culture, named by A.P. Khatri, 1958, after similarities with Old Vigors, Africa. Human skull fossil found by Arun Chanakya at Hatnaura, Sihor district in gravel deposit, the oldest human fossil in India. There are nearly 250,000 BB volcanic ash evidence, Son Valley and Bori, Pune, Maharashtra, volcanic ash. There are 1.4 million years BB, suggesting lower Paleolithic antiquity. Middle Paleolithic period. Tools, smaller tools made from jasper and chalk, replacing quartzite. Characteristics known as the flank culture due to flaked tools. Sites found in the stratified deposit across Narmada, Son, Chambal and Betwa Valley, dating nearly 40,000 BB, Narmada Valley. Upper Paleolithic period. Tools, blades and burins made from jasper, chalk and flint. Smaller and sharper, unique findings. Ostrich. Eggless beads found at Khaparkheda, Dhar district. Evidence of bead making factory. Only such that in India. Rock art, Bhimbetka, Rock Shelter, Raisan districts with painting on the walls and ceiling. Triangular Mother Goddess statue found in Son Valley, linked to modern coal tribe practice, indicates continuity of Mother Goddess worship. Mesolithic period. Tools, microlith, small stone tools like lundes, triangle and trapezoid. Micro burins and thumbnail scrapers. Sites Bhimbetka, Adamgarh, Pachmadi and others. Burials practice extended and fractional burials at Bhimbetka and Adamgarh. Animal bones, wild and domesticated at Adamgarh, including cattle, humped cattle, goats, sheep, and pigs. Cultural significance, proto-Neolithic traits, increased population and habitation in diverse climatic zones. Neolithic and Chalcolithic period. Tools, polished stone tools and early metal tools, copper and bronze. Key sites and findings: Kaitha, copper bangles, Maheshwar and Navatoli, copper rings, fish hooks and perforated eggs, iron, gold beads and thin gold disc. Nabdatoli, female and bird figurines in storage jars linked to mother goddess worship. Cultural features: formal agricultural beacon. Copper and bronze tool indicates advanced metallurgy, possibly influenced by Rajasthan Banas culture. Key prehistoric sites in Madhya Pradesh. Lower Paleolithic sites: Sidi Sihabal in Sidi district, Sihabal, Son River Valley, Sinsihor, Arhari, Nandaner, Mandashore, Indragarh and Kedareshwar, Hinglajgarh, Khargon, Kharighat, Nabdatoli and Maheshwar. Middle Paleolithic sites: Sidi, Sihabal, Patpara. In Sidi, Sihabal and Patpara. Narmadapuram, Adamgarh, Raisen, Bhimbetka. Mesolithic site: Raisen, Bhimbetka and Murelkhurd. Narmadapuram, Pachmadi, Jambudip, Dorthidip and Adamgarh. Neolithic and Chalcolithic sites: Khargon, Nabdatoli, Pidpur, Ujjain, Mahidpur, Kaitham, Vidisha, Besnagar, Rangai, Devas, Kotra, Kalishand. Vedic and traditional history. Vedic reference: Rigveda, earliest text nearly 1000 BC, mentions geographical names linked to MP. Satpat Brahman mentions Rebotars identified as a Narmada rivers by Bebar. Updated first literary reference to Narmada. Kostaki Brahmanopanishad reference Vindhyan mountains. Key periods: Yayati period. Chandravansh, Yadu received Chambal, Betwa and Ken rivers. Durvasho received Riva, Baghelkhand. Suryavansh, Dandag ruled southern MP. Dandakaranya. Mandhatri period. Mandhatri founded Mandhata Omkareshwar. Purukuts married Narmada. renamed Reva as Narmada. Mahishmati, Hai King, defeated Muchkund and renamed the fort Mahismati Maheshwar. Parashuram period, conflict between Bhirigu, Brahman and Hai Chhatri clans. Kartaviri Arjun, Hai also Sahasrabahu, ruled Madhya Pradesh, defeated Ravana and made Mahismati his capital. Parashuram killed Kartavir Arjun and waged war against Kshatriya. Sri Ramchandra period. Ram spent much of his exile Dandakaran. Shatrughan Son. Shatrughati rule Vidisham. Sri Krishna period. Avanti king win and unwind. Yaduvans fought for Kauravas. Krishna and Balaram studied under Guru Sandipani in Avanti. Other contemporary state. Ajakbasu founded the Chedi dynasty and Rantidev, Chambal river, performed numerous yajnas. Mahajanpat period 600 BC. Overall, North India divided into 16 Mahajanpat. MP included Avanti and Chedi. Avanti Mahajanpat division. Northern Avanti capital Ujjaini. Southern Avanti capital Mahismati. Rulers Chandrapradyot, contemporary of Gautam Buddha. State in Avanti, clashed with Magadha, Vats and Kaushal. Magadha Bimbisar sent physician Jivak to treat Pradyot's jaundice. Nandivardhan, last Pradyot king, were defeated by Sisunag, ending Avanti's independence. Reference: Swanjang mentions in Ujjaini in 7th century called Usayan. Chedi Mahajanpat, location modern Bundelkhand, MP and UP, capital Suktamati, Ken river, rulers. Shishupal killed by Krishna, succeeded by his son Drishtketu. Nakul's wife Karanmati was a Chedi princess. So this is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that UPSC focused videos keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Chen. Friends, we can revise immediately in a glance. So let's revise. Prehistoric Madhya Pradesh, geological context: Pleistocene, Lower Paleolithic, Holocene, Middle Paleolithic. Rivers Valley, Narmada, human skull fossils, Hatnaura, nearly 250,000 BB. Shown Sihaval, Lower Paleolithic, Patpara, Middle Paleolithic, Baghor, Upper Paleolithic. There is 3 Paleolithic: Lower shown, Middle Patpara, Baghor, Upper. Catalonia, Holocene, nearly 10,000 BB. Prehistoric cultures: Lower Paleolithic, Quartzite tools, Mahadevian culture, Hatnaura fossil. Middle Paleolithic, Jaspercher and flake culture. Upper Paleolithic, blades, Burins, ostrich, eggless bait, and Khaparkheda. Bhimbetka rock art. Mesolithic, Microlith, burials, Bhimbetka, Adamgarh, animal domestication. Neolithic, Chalcolithic, copper, bronze, Kaitha and Nabla Delhi iron. Key sites: Lower Paleolithic, Sihabal, Hatnaura, Bhimbetka, Adamgarh. Mesolithic, Bhimbetka, Adamgarh, Pachmadi. Neolithic, Chalcolithic, Nabla, Kaitha, iron and Mahidpur. Vedic and traditional history. Vedic reference: Satpat, Brahman, Narmada as a Rivotars. Kaustaki, Brahmanopanishad, Vindhya mountain. Key periods: Mandhatri founded Mandhata fort, renamed Mahishmati. Parashuram killed Kartavir Arjun, Hai king of Mahishmati. Krishna studied under Guru Sandipani in Avanti. Mahajanpat period 600 BC. Avanti capitals Ujjain north, Mahishmati south. Rulers Chandrapradyot, contemporary of Buddhist, conquered by Shishunag. Chedi capital Suktamati, Ken rivers. Rulers Shishupal. For problems focus on dates, example Narmada fossils, Mahajanpat, key sites and their finding, example Khaparkheda, Beats, Hathnora fossil and Vedic reference, Sattva. Farmlands elaborate on cultural evolution, Paleolithic to Chalcolithic. River Valley. Significance, Narmada storm, Mahajanpat politics, Avanti, Magad rivalry. This is the end of lecture. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.